Mom.
What are you doing?
Washing the dishes.
Thank you.
I'm gonna wash this for you.
Okay. Keep the dishcloth over the sink. Yep. You're getting the floor all wet.
I see this in there.
What's that? Put them on the counter.
But
Great job, Eve.
It's funny, Mom.
What's funny?
Yeah.
Who do you think?
That's my dad's club on
Yeah. Allie. No. Oh, careful. That's glass.
That is a snake.
Careful.
Uh-oh. What's that?
Dirt. Put it in the sink and wash it off with the cloth. Rub the cloth over it very carefully.
I did it. In here?
Yeah. Is that it? Y'all done?
No. There's some more. What's...
Here.
9 minutes.
You're not going to wash the knife.
Why?
You can wash the other two things, though.
This?
Yeah, wash that.
What's this? I'm going to use that one.
No, you don't need to use that. That'll make the water yucky. Are you going to do this for Mom? Are you going to do this for Mom when you're older, too? Is that clean?
Yep.
Thank you very much.
I want to do it again.
Again after supper.
I want to wash that.
No, that doesn't get washed. Dry your hands off. Hang your towel up. Good girl. Dry your hands off. Towel's beside you. Hang it up beside you. Down beside you, Eve. Beside you. Look, right there. Right beside you. Down there. Look. See it? Dry your hands off.